My name is Russna Kaur, and I'm an artist from Brampton, Ontario, but currently living and working in Vancouver, BC. I started off studying biology and then kind of went to fashion design or Indian fashion design, where I worked very closely with my mother and her business, which she ran from home for many, many years. So I kind of grew up around all these different textiles and combining textiles to create movement and texture. And then approached a different field, which was more surface and textile design, but for commercial purposes, and then eventually arrived at painting. So my practice is primarily in painting, though I use a wide range of materials in my work. Typically, my larger scale works kind of come together like a puzzle. So I paint on a variety of smaller surfaces that kind of piece together to create these larger scale compositions. Thinking about the surface of the painting, because it is on multiple panels, there's areas where the painting doesn't quite line up or the lines don't quite line up. But I think for me, that's a part of the whole process of creating this complex surface that speaks to much more than color, line, texture, and scale, and actually can become part of conversations around our identities, how much is revealed with our identities, what you see when you look at someone, and also what you can't see, the invisible aspects of our identities that really impact and influence the way we approach our materials and our surfaces.